Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to shoot your mechanical pencil just by the mechanical pencil. First, what you want to do is remove the lead inside the mechanical pencil. Mine has no lead. I removed it onto another mechanical into my backpack and pouch. So, first thing you want to do is, I recommend these kind of mechanical pencils, not these kind. When you hit here and the lead comes out, you want to hit the back and the lead comes out, not right here. So, I don't think it would work on that one. So what you want to do is take the lid off. You could twist it off, or I think you could just take it off like that. Okay, and the lid's right here. Right there. As you can see, when you open it, open it, twist this back. So, and as you can see, there is two things. I think I could twist it for you guys. See? So, twist it, open these like that. As you can see that bin open, put your thing inside it. Now your thing's locked and loaded. All you gotta do is just pull it back. I think I've done it on this mechanical pencil. The trick that we used to do, it was really fun. The more power that you put getting on the back, the more farther we'll get. I did this in 2nd grade. I made a game out of it, but the teacher didn't know. So, yeah, it's fun to shoot it around on your desk. It's not a far shooter, but it's a close shooter. So, you want to shoot a note in here, and the thing, and then hook it on. When you're walking to them, and they have a post, shoot it in the post. You're done. Or the backpack. Like, there you go, nice clean shot. And then it doesn't hurt your mechanical pencil at all. You can put it back on, put some lead in it. Brand new. There we go. So I just wanted that mechanical pencil for you guys. Video, because you guys can use it in school, or you guys can just use it as a pistol battle. But like, if you have no friends, you can shoot and then get this. This is a really cool trick with a mechanical pencil. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe at my thing. Wait, did I say that wrong? I think I said that wrong. I could just say thumbs up. So just put a thumbs up, and thank